The two big questions in calculus are finding the derivative, which is the instantaneous rate of change or the slope of a function, and finding the area bounded between a function and the x-axis, or actually it's going to be a little bit different when we're talking about polar curves. So the first big question here is how we find slope of a polar curve. And the way we're going to do that is using the chain rule. And so dy dx would give the slope of a function at a point. That is the change in y with respect to x. And so if we can find the change in y with respect to theta and the change in x with respect to theta, we divide those and we get dy dx. This is exactly the same formula we used for parametric equations, except the theta in parametric equations was t. So going back to the conversion from polar equations to parametric equations, once we convert it to a parametric equation in terms of theta, we take the derivative with respect to theta of each of those equations, and that gives us the slope of the curve at any given point.